Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a sophisticated way to protect your iPhone 13 Pro? Look no further. I have found this super awesome case by LOHASIC. This is their leather case for the iPhone 13 Pro. I have it here in the black, and you can see how sleek that is. It's got really nice chrome detailing as well as that black vegan leather, which that leather has such a nice soft feel to it. It is very sleek, very expensive looking, and that chrome detail is really pretty. I appreciate the two-tone details about this phone case. I think it looks really sleek. Of course, it's got the real buttons that go over the volume button, and it's got a little bit of depth here for the coverage over the camera lenses, which I really appreciate because everything I can get to protect my phone, I absolutely need. Of course, it is super simple installation. You just pop the case right off. It is one solid piece, and then you're able to just slip your phone right back in. It works seamlessly with wireless charging, which is always a plus. I think this is a really fantastic option for protecting your phone and keeping it looking nice and sleek and true to that original iPhone design. So if you're looking for a great case for your iPhone 13 Pro, I highly recommend checking out this one, but that's just my point of view.